whenever you have a break, and I did not program much in the game off stream, I did do some changes when it came to internal data structures to enable me to do builds in the future. But other than that, I didn't do much on the game. I did not have the time. So we need to get back into the game and make sure that we make big progress, because it will otherwise fiddle out, okay? The flame will fiddle out. The longer you stay disconnected from any character that you play in RPG games, you will always going to make a new character. And so we don't want to make a new character. We want to, you know, continue on with our character. And in order to do that, we need to get back into it. And I think the last thing that I did was I added in more weapons for the mage, more items for the mage, and I added in more rounds to play. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to just play the game, and I want to get to about round 20, and I want to implement my first boss. We already have the boss animated, and we can add abilities to the boss that he's using. And then I want to essentially build my very first, hopefully somewhat viral Twitter clip where the game explains itself. So how do we do that? I want to build a boss that spawns on round 20, and that will be the demo version for the game that you guys get to play, where you can play for about, let's say, 20 to 30 minutes. That is the idea. And so we have built up the game. Well, actually, that was for debugging purposes. Let's go back here. Round 1. Let me get rid of this skeleton here, because that was just for testing. This is supposed to spawn. Okay, let's begin again. Demo version, yes. Because ultimately I need to start gathering feedback. And the best way to do that is to release a demo version for you guys. And the best way to do that is to add 20 rounds, 30 rounds. We need to have... so there's two things I need in the game. I need to have ghost enemies, and I need to have the boss enemies. Are you going to do the demo through Steam? Yes, I will. So first and foremost, we'll leave the weapons unlocked the way it is. U64, thank you very much for following, bro. There we go. Let's begin here with Wolfhang Fist, because that's really OP. Ram Devi, thank you very much for following too. Okay, so we have 10 times speed up just for me to be able to play this faster, but the player will not have this. Okay, looking good. Gonna build those two the same way. Okay. We get this. I think I changed this, did I? Oh yeah. I did change this for a thumbnail. I need to quickly change that back to how it was before. For YouTube thumbnail. Essentially what I had was a very bright glow. Eh? Bro, open it. Yeah. And I think I got rid of this darkening effect. We test. There we go. That's what I did, by the way. It looks very much like Vampire Survivors. I know that. Yeah. Let's keep it like this for now. Anyways, so that's gold. Moments before insert disaster, I have a rare TCAP L for you, Cakes. I saw that. So let's watch this in a second. TCAP got TCAP got fooled by Mr. Shade 11. That was really cool, yeah. All right, where do we place the mage? Maybe just here. I want the mage because we do need anti-skeleton stuff. Okay, let's quickly go past this. Let's get the eye stuff. Looking good. Have you put any thought into trying to get together something for the next fest, February 2025? I will decide that next year on January, if I have something or not. It depends on the feedback I get from clips, from basically you guys playing the demo, from the wish lists I get per month. If there's not a big increase, then there's no point. Because I'd be wasting my time. Alright, so we need to safeguard this because they're starting to leak. Which is not what I want. It's MP3 today. You know, like, okay, so we have those two big guys here first. Oh yeah, he's freezing them. I need to apply freeze correctly. Oh, actually I'm leaking, lol. Okay, so we leaked one, which is fine. Round 7 is one of the strongest rounds. Very difficult one. Okay, we need a healer. And we need to level her up as well. Okay, did she get level up? Yes, she did. Cool. I'm gonna use Ice Wave. Looking nice. Then hopefully the healer is going to get the level soon. Because otherwise my units are going to die. Well, I could potentially give him armor. Uh-oh. He's gonna get smashed soon. Uh-oh. Okay. It's close. Okay, looking good still. But still no level up. So this is something I have to work on. If you place the healer too late, she's not going to get enough. She's not going to get enough, whatever that's called, experience points to skill heal, to get heal unlocked. And ultimately will lead to the party dying here. Because they're going to attack him. Yeah, he's dead now. I just lost my mage. Which means I can't kill those guys. Which means I'm gonna lose. What happens when your units die? Are they alive on the next wave? No, they die permanently. And I have to get them again, you know, spawn them again. Which sucks. Because ultimately I'm gonna leak 3 guys now. And then gonna chunk down this guy. I feel like their attack is a little too weak as well. I want to make that more difficult. But yeah, I have to spawn another mage now. Which maybe I don't even have enough money. I don't. But she has heal now. Oh my god, she still doesn't have heal. Oh no. Oh, I'm losing. Okay, well. I might have to restart. Yep, we'll lose. This guy is too strong. Yeah, he's okay. It's fine. Didn't you make a new vibrator for the healer? It's not a vibrator, bro. Okay, so we lost in round 11 because the healer didn't have enough levels. Sucks. Let's try that again. This guy here. The healer doesn't have any items yet. We are leaking it, but it's fine. She's gonna get level up soon. There we go. Cool. Now we have heal. I need to fix this in a way, because heal is ultimately... Yeah, I need to fix the experience gain somehow. Right, you get this. Okay, so you did it. There we go. And now we get... Well, we don't need heal yet. Let's not spend money if we don't need to. Does the healer actually heal? Lol? Yeah, like the healer heals if I invest into healing. Otherwise, she's just a weak attacker. And so that's kind of a downside at the moment. Have you experimented with base health? Regeneration for the tower, so you can just wait a while in between waves. I did, but it was too overpowered. The loot box from Vampire Survivors? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Mr. Severy, yeah. True. I'm leaking again. Ooh. It's fine. We're gonna leak a couple more, but that's okay. It's all part of the plan. Just wait. Alright. Okay, so there we go. Now we need to get the mage next. Oh no, round 7 is gonna be difficult. I don't have a mage. Would you still build your own engine if your game was 3D? At this point, I don't know. I'm leaning more heavily towards Unreal Engine than my own at this point. Why have all your towers centralized? Because they need to be healed by the healer. The healer doesn't have global heal. And so I'm gonna leak about... Oh god. I can't get past this, can I? Oh god. Okay, wait a minute. I'm kinda losing. Fuck, man. I can't do it. Do this again. Let's try this. Looking good. I'm gonna give this guy shield orbs. I'm gonna test this. You're cooked? Yeah, losing. Yeah, just wait. You know, it's about testing. If you can't beat your own game, make it twice as hard and release Diablo 3 logic. Still someone beat the game naked? Yeah, I have to tell you though, I think Diablo 3, when it first launched, the difficulty was awesome. I liked it. It was too overpowered, I know, but you know, like this is what people sometimes like when it's so difficult. The majority of people hated it, but I liked it actually, because it gives you something to work towards, you know. Are you going to do difficulty selection? I will probably do difficulty selection, yeah. Which means this is way too difficult right now for the normal player. Okay, we got attack radius now. And we need to get a mage next. Insane mode. I keep losing my game until I made my towers OP for testing. Kept. Yeah, like, I think my game balance is okay, but it's definitely not good. It's too hard. It's too difficult. Oh, that looks good. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Nice. Okay, so this is where they start attacking me. We need to get the healer next. Oh, my man. Skamast. Thank you very much for subscribing, bro. Welcome. Thank you, bro. Alright, let's see. How do we place this dude? So that she can heal. Ah, fuck. I'm gonna lose my main dude. Am I? Shit, I placed them badly. Okay, fine. She has to be here. Then we need to invest into heal. So she's healing now. Oh, wait a minute. There we go, okay. Okay, so she's not touching this guy. Which means We need to place another healer. Well, man. Thank you, bro. You do realize that you can use TTS too, you know? Mr. Pikachu, thank you very much. Yeah! For the big support, man, bro. Thank you. How's the past 2 weeks been, Cakes? Hectic. But thankfully it works out. It worked out. And Zoe's feeling better. I'm feeling better too. I injured my foot. Couldn't really sit for long or stay for long. I still can't stay for long. It really hurts. It's a lot of blood that is built up in the ankle. I told you I don't like TTS. I see. And Skamas, thank you very much for subscribing with Twitch Prime, bro. Wow, that's your first time subscribing. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, bro. Alright, guys. So we get another healer. And hopefully this guy is not gonna die. Maybe if I place her here. It's like a shield. I just need to get 120 monies. No, stop it. 120, come on. Attack this guy. Nice. Okay. Good. If the foot is broken, use the cock. Dude, my foot has been so fucking swollen, it's crazy. People told me I should go to the doctor. But I don't think I need to. Because I had this like 3 times already. I just need to rest the foot. I've wondered for the longest time, why is it specifically Cake 77? Was Cakes 1 to 76 taken? No, it wasn't. 77 just because I'm never lucky. So, and 7 is a lucky number. And because Swift Cakes was taken. Oh, Dan Garrett, thank you very much for supporting on YouTube by becoming a member. Thank you very much, man. You have now access to big emotes on YouTube, bro. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy your stay there. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you. Never lucky, yeah, so that's why ultimately it's Cake 77. But I'm evaluating whether I should name switch in the future to Swift Cakes. I have the name unlocked. It's my name on Twitch. No one can take it away from me. And so I'm thinking about it. Okay, so round 12. I want to get to round 20 and introduce more and more enemies that attack the units. And so in order to do that, while we do this, right? We're gonna save point here, so we can keep loading. Because ultimately I need to build the skill tree for the healer a bit as well. Let's test that here. So what we need to do... Why does it not work? Really odd. Anyways, let's make 2 new nodes here. This and this. What should we get here? And these don't connect to each other. I somehow can't find... Where is it? Eh? It was there just a second ago. Eh? Am I blind? Hey? Oh no, there's like a specific root node here. Wait a minute. Let's see here. Then we should also do node. Sprite ID is empty or something. Sprite passive. There we go. How many lines of code did we reach on this C++ file? So, Mr. Zeri, the lines of code on the C++ file have not increased that much, you know. Huh? Does it not go here? Yes. So then why? Dude. Dude. Huh? Oh wait, that's apply skill tree, isn't it? So it just gets the skill tree from the prefab. Wait a minute. Get skill points to spend. Find allocated node. Hä? Hier. Wait a minute. Draw connections. Draw connections. Editor specific. There must be a display description if hot. Draw nodes, there we go. So draw nodes, if the node itself is a root node. Then I want to do node, sprite ID. Want to set it to empty. Just for now, because this currently I can't draw a connection to the thing here. There we go. So now I can finally draw a connection between the two because I used the sprite. Then I can actually build the skill tree properly. Save that. And now we can actually add in nodes. So that one and that one. So what do we want to add? To heal. Like how would we want to buff heal and make that stronger? Healing is made stronger by more healing power and less cooldown. So for example over here we can use a sprite that looks like a heart maybe. Or maybe this, that gives us cooldown. Let's see here, cooldown reduction. Cooldowns and then minus 10, is it like that? Yeah. Minus 10%, what is it? What about this? Okay. This one doesn't work. So minus 10% cooldowns would be here. Is that a script in engine monolith 1? Is that script in engine monolith 1? I don't know what that means. What does that mean? Games done slow, Cakez. Never finish a game, Cakez. Cakez turn alerts off, on, they are off. I've wondered for the longest time. They are on. What are you talking about? The alerts are on. Huh? Is the game pretty much in one file? Yeah. It is. Mm-hmm. I'm not experienced C++ developer, so is that the norm? Yes. Don't believe you, but that's he's lying. It's definitely the norm, cause you only make a new file when you have a new system. So for example, the game needs to be in one file because the okay. You know, healing power, where's that? Maybe 5%? Is that too much? Can't really tell. Then over here we need 2 stats. While true, yeah. Do you have RTX voice extension in OBS? It uses GPU or used to, from what I remember. No, I don't. I just have like, no, I don't. I just use the typical OBS stuff. Just music and your voice on YouTube. Wait, music is also playing? Oh god, the music was looping, wasn't it? The music was looping the entire time, bro. We were listening to one fucking song. Sorry about that. We're used to it. I also have an RTX 4060 Ti and OBS uses 1% GPU idle. It has some extension that you have to running. It has to be some extension that you have running. I literally reinstalled OBS completely. And so for example, let me show you something. Right now it uses 30%, but I'm streaming and recording, right? So that makes sense. Take a look at this. Okay, that's some actual bullshit, bro. That's some actual bullshit. So like, when I use the camera, looking... Okay, now it doesn't show it, of course. So it was on 5% and then I added the camera in and it went over 13%. Whatever, dude. Like, fuck it. Like, that's some bullshit. Okay, yeah. It is how it is. Yeah. Additional projectiles. That would mean she attacks twice. But we are currently in the healing tab, so healing should have... I don't know, duration doesn't do anything here. Just cooldowns and healing power. Maybe attack radius? Or attack speed, which would make heals faster. Attack speed makes sense. 12%. Yeah. That shit's probably expensive. You're applying some kind of filter to remove the background? No, so this is from NVIDIA Broadcast. NVIDIA Broadcast does that for me. That's, if anything, that would be displayed in NVIDIA Broadcast, not OBS. And that's here. It uses 1%. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm using base OBS. Base OBS, nothing. And I can tell you guys, I don't know what it is. It's definitely using too much, in my opinion. Let's save this. Okay, what else should we add here to the healer? Tangy 10% idle, sus. It's not idling at all, it's just running at full power, that's why. I'm not optimizing this at all, bro. So yeah, disable OBS preview has nothing to do with it. I'll show you. So right now it's on. Okay, and we have, wait. We have 30%. It's not, it doesn't change. Turn PC off. And the preview doesn't seem to do anything. I don't know what it is. I don't upscale. I use 1080p, the native resolution, everything. No idea what it is. No clue. But yeah, I mean, for recording, I can understand, because recording does take a lot of effort. Smack the table, like in the VOD, or like in the good old days, reduced consumption to 0 in some cases. Okay, bro. We're not doing that, okay. Alright, okay, let's see here. So save. We're gonna spend some money on healing power, and then we get the cooldowns and the attack speed. And I don't know what we should get as the stat here. Alright, because I wanna get to round... Ooh. Oh, this guy is using bone toss, of course. There we go. Okay, so round 12. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's a lot. That's a lot of enemies. Oh wow. Yeah. Oh wow. Guys, I need to go to the bathroom really quickly. This is round 12. I'm gonna get to round 20 today. Money not making it to round... Money on not making it to round 15. That dog is worth 10 life. 10 lives. Oh, I see. That's why. I see. Live demos never work. So you lose at your own game. What type of question is that, Smack GDS? So what are you trying to imply here? You know, what I'm doing is not losing at my game. I'm testing my game, okay? And that includes winning and losing. So what makes you assume that I'm losing because I can't beat my game? Because you see the game over screen right here? Well, you're wrong, okay? First and foremost, I wasn't even there. Number one.
Am I so out of touch?
Is thank you so much, Postdruid, for
just
subscribing, bro. Thank you.
Big tick support for 1 year.
I appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for the support and for being here, for watching. Okay, game over equals lose, bro. I'm not trying to win the game, guys. I'm not trying to win. And you know what? I'm not losing. Look at this. I didn't lose. I could spend more money. For example, here. There's more money to be had. Look at this. What if I have this guy? Do I lose? Oh, ha. Interesting. I don't. Huh. Can someone heal this guy, please? Oh, God. Oh, shit. These fucking spears. Hey, heal! Oh, God. Shit. I'm losing, actually. Ooh, but I can place... Don't kill him, please. Please don't kill him. Attack these guys, yeah? No! He attacked both guys! Oh, what an asshole! God damn it. Well, this is round 12. Let's see. And are we... Okay, what is round 13? Oh, yeah. This was round 13, huh? Yeah, that was really difficult, huh? Okay, wait. We have some options. Of course. Can he kill these guys? Wow. Damn. Yeah. Maybe they attack the healer. That doesn't look too good, bro. Yeah. I mean, wait. Wait a minute. I do have upgrades I can still get. This guy has upgrades too. Wait. Hey, what? We're gonna get another healer. That's the way to do it, actually. Another healer. And a dude. Uh-oh. You gotta heal, you know, lady. Come on. You need to heal, lady. Yes. There we go. Okay. We're winning. See, I told you. Uh-huh. Not even close. Not even close. Easy. Alright, good. Healer sucks. Yeah, I know. But she's going to get better over time. You need to invest into the healer. You know? Goodness. Good morning, Cakez. Hey, who cares on YouTube? Good morning, welcome. And OP Kashida. Kashina, good morning. Or what? Krishna, sorry. On YouTube as well. Welcome, bro. Okay. Healer's gonna end up being the most important tower, lol. At the moment, yeah. But so is the mage. The mage is there. Oh god, this is where I lose. So this is where I lose because of the chaining projectiles from these guys. You see that? They just obliterate everything. So we need to figure out a better way. No. Dude. I mean, if one guy leaks is fine, right? But two is not. Shit. Alright, we need to be faster here. Ooh. Oh yeah, so this guy's dead. And I just leaked 10. Oh yeah, one of those wolves is 10. Maybe I need to nerf them, but I'm gonna keep it because it's gonna be difficult. Alright, so we managed to beat the round. Good. Does seem overpowered. You mean the healer? It's just a counter to what the enemies do. You think it's too OP? Cakez, can we have song requests enabled for a bit, you know, to compensate for the lack of audio earlier? Oh god. Oh god. Alright, so I do need to do something here. I'll try out something. Maybe it does work. Maybe it does work. She should be able to heal him. Nice art skills, Cakez. Thank you. Thank you. Oh. Ah, please. Ah, so close. Oh. Ah. Kill them. Kill them. Oh my god. This guy destroyed me. Fuck, man. This round's too crazy. I can't spawn 5 guys. It's too much. Maybe like this. Yeah, maybe like that. We'll see. Wait a minute. Okay, let's test that. I'm kind of locked in now, though, which sucks. Okay, so only one... Wait, actually, they still hit? What? How do they still hit? Oh, God. Enemy 2 OP, please nerf. Bounce a bit long now. Well, I can fix this with a bouncing range, but tank Tangy went, soaks all the damage, skill tree, discard forking. Tower damage of projectiles. If you show all enemies enemy abilities in the first level, but you're saving for for other levels. If you show all the enemy abilities in the first level. No, this is not going to be the first level. This is going to be a demo version. That is not this is not even going to be a tutorial. This will just display all of the different mechanics of the game in a demo version. Ah, man, I can't beat these guys, but I don't want to nerf them. I think it's really fun. So what is the range on these guys? Maybe the range just has to go away, guys. Let's see here. Let's go to the boner. And give him... Make him a bit shorter. So basically less lifetime for the projectile, 0.4. And then we go MA and we go to bone toss. And set the range to 60. Skeleton boner, yeah. You will change this map for demo, you will get sued. Will you change? For the demo version, I'm not earning any money. I don't think I can even get sued. So no, for the demo version, I'll keep this, probably. Since the deck builders are all the range... How? There's no way. It's impossible. Absolutely not. Okay, so then projectile lifetime, I guess. 0.3. Sorry, this road is patent. Yeah, so that's what's gonna happen, right? I still wanna watch why Nintendo is suing everyone. Shit. Okay, so they don't fly fast enough now. Nintendo has been suing everyone for years. Yeah, there's a really good video about this that I wanted to watch, but we'll watch that tomorrow. Probably. Oh man, so close! You see how like they barely hit me? So funny. Alright, let's see. Ha! It does work. And then this still works, but it's too much damage and the cooldown is too high, too low. So let's do 16 seconds. It shouldn't fire if it can't reach. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Like, yeah, I know what you mean. I don't have that in the game at the moment. If like checking if it's in range and then stuff like that. Let's see here. All right, what can we get on this guy? I mean, he can attack and chunk down the first enemy. Uh-oh. Shit. So the first healer is dead. Oh my god, please. Heal each other. Please. Fuck! So close! Goodness! God damn it! I think we can do it now. If the... Oh god. I mean, if I've... It's just gonna be less than 10, right? You're gonna need better progression to finish the game. Yeah, kinda. I don't want to nerf this. I don't want to nerf this. Wait a minute. Home. We have a bit of money. I can't spend any money. We're just gonna try again. It's fine. Buff the Tangies. I don't know, man. It's already 6 seconds. It's really good. And sealing a lot.
Gotcha, bitch!
No, I'm just gonna spawn less bonus, guys. We'll just spawn the bonus more spread out. Or I'm gonna do 2 boner chunks. So we're gonna spawn 2 relatively fast. And then on 30, or let's say 38, we're gonna spawn another batch of 3 really fast. Healer seems kind of mid at the moment. Yeah, the healer is gonna get better with items. I don't have items at the moment. Let's test. So now I changed it to spawn only 2 bonus. And now there's 3 bonus. Heal! God, that's even worse. Okay, so I need to spawn the bonus at like 58. Yeah, the bone toss guys, essentially. Oh god, they destroy this guy. Right, let's see here. Now I don't have upgrades on the dude here. On the healer. This is where it gets difficult. If we get... Okay. Okay, 1 healer is dead. But we managed to do it. I like that. That's fine. Yeah, we managed to beat the round. And then obviously the round ends. Which means we can spawn another round now. Round 14. So what are we gonna do on round 14? Who are we going to spawn? I wonder why it's white. Let's see. Forgot to copy this. He's struggling at round 13. He's sucking at it. He sucks at his game. No, I just want to show basically the big mechanics of the game. I want to showcase those. I'm gonna add another skeleton or like an enemy ghost really quickly. Actually, yeah, let's just do this. So we're gonna add a ghost. Not a skeleton, just a ghost. Maybe this is where I want to introduce the ghosts. Guys, the rounds will be spread out more later. I just want to build up to this boss. And obviously right now it's going to be broken. Let's see, excuse me. Skeleton Knight, Skeleton Dog. Let's put it here, actually. Was it before or after the dog? After the dog, okay. Okay, guys, we need a new sprite really quickly. For a ghost. Pixel art ghost. Cakez. I'm worried about the amount of bonus you get spawned. Maybe you should have a conversation with your wife. Cakez, what if you have parts of the skeleton as enemies, like a giant skeleton hand walking, followed by a foot, etc., then the actual giant skeleton shows up. I don't know how the hand would work. Walk. Wait a second, isn't that the same layout as the first level of Bloons 4? Yeah, it's also Bloons 6. Let's see here. Let's quickly draw a ghost, guys. Very fast. Where do I put this? I just need one image. Oh, look at that, boys. What about this? Hey, look at that. Huh? Oh, huh? There we go. Looks like a balloon? Absolutely not. Absolutely not, brother. Put that here. Like this. Is this for Halloween? Mods? Bloons to eat? No. This is just going to be a real enemy in the game that I drew really fast. And we're going to make him transparent. Let's do Control U. Alpha. There we go. That looks good, yeah. So this is going to be our first transparent enemy, a ghost. Quickly drawn. Enemy ghost. Oops. Let's see here. Atlas offset. What's this? 1488. And 1040. Size of 32 by 32. Pivot offset. Let's try -8 and then frame count of 1. And that's it. The ghost is not going to attack. And then in the game, the enemy ghost uses these sprites. Yeah, I know. I'm working on it right now. And it also has no hit sounds, of course. There we go. And then let's do sprite, enemy, ghost. There we go, like this. that. And now we have the ghost in the game, I think. So what type of enemy is that? Oh, welcome, you guys. Okay, yeah, okay. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Clown. You can shout yourself out, bitch. Fuck you. I'm not going to give you any more tips on your game. Click the link. Better? Oh. Oh. Almost. Mwah! Nice. So the last thing I would do, place the hotkey somewhere better. I don't know where, but somewhere. Maybe below. Maybe up above. But separate it. Because, at least for me, it fucks with my brain. It looks like you could have a very nice tower here, but it's like, it's a curve. You know, everything's centered except that stupid button. But otherwise, really good. That's exactly what you need. You have exactly. You also darkened the background. You give very good contrast with what you have and what it gives. It's perfect, essentially. That's exactly what the player needs. And it wasn't probably wasn't difficult to do. Yeah, that's what I would have. Yeah. Yes. No, shut the fuck. I'm not. Fuck off. Fuck you. I'm not gonna give you any more tips. At all. Absolutely not. So the ghost, by the way, it can't give us 20. Wait, what if a ghost passes and we just lose? You always lose. What do you guys think? A ghost is minus 20. And maybe that's too much, right? Let's try 4 or something. Whack. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, you can't help but give your opinion. Okay, so what does this enemy get? That is so... It could be a type. Ah, component, of course. Component. So, a ghost has the component invisible. Or
am I so out of touch? No.
Orthano just subscribed. Big tick support for 20 years. Cakez 7L.
Wait a minute. It's too much, right? It's too much like balloons, isn't it? Camouflage, the camouflage component. I mean, it's essentially the same mechanic, but yeah. If you have to Google the word, you will be annoyed every time you have trying to reference it. Exactly, yeah, I know. I mean, we're just gonna... Guys, what is a ghost? A ghost is not transparent, but what is a ghost, guys? You can't touch it. What does that mean? It's not transparent. Transparent? Yeah, but evasive? The evasive component? Ethereal? Incorporeal? By the way, Athano, thank you so much for subscribing, man. Thank you. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for the long-lasting support. It's already 20 months, man. Thank you, man, very much. Mr. Athano. Nerd, translucent. Translucent? Yeah, Mr. Who Am I? Translucent. Mr. Who Am I? The big dick game developer of the game Crystal Guardians is right. We're going to add the translucent components to it. Now, and this is where the off-stream stuff that I did off-stream comes into play. Okay, we are going to go now. Let's first see the enemy in the game, right? So let's first see the ghost. I want to see the ghost because it looks cool. We have the sprite enemy ghost here. We have to check the collider if the radius and stuff is correct. Warrior doesn't really matter. These types will have different ghosty types, of course. Attack radius doesn't matter because it's not going to attack. Cast time will be removed probably tomorrow. I'm going to turn everything into attack times. So let's say I'm casting a heal. This will take an attack time of 2 seconds. And so attack speed will make the heal better, while at the same time cooldown reduction makes the heal better, so you can cast it more. And then investing into attack speed means your tower attacks enemies faster and uses abilities faster. And in my opinion, that's just much easier for the player than having cast time and attack speed and having to explain to the player somehow, some way that cast time is only affecting abilities, but not a major staff ability to attack, and not a wand attack, but a bow attack. Like, it's weird, right? Call it action time, could be confusing. No, I think, yeah, I know what you mean, but action time, you have attack speed in games always. And so that's like in tower defense games too. So we'll just call everything attack speed, and then the player will notice that a heal is faster because you're attacking faster, essentially. The player will just notice that, since there is no cast speed, mention of cast speed ever. Anyways, long story short, acceleration, yeah, they are decently fast. I don't know how fast I want to make them, but 80 is a bit much. Let's do 50. All right, okay, cool. Let's, oh, homing missile, of course. No, we don't want that. What the fuck? Homing missile? No, absolutely not. Oh yeah, and since they are ghost, they have almost no friction. Exactly, 20 friction. They can be knocked back like into oblivion, bro. Like, these are ghosts. All right, cool. Round 13. In round 14 is when I want to spawn my first ghost. Only ghosts. No bonus, no knights, no crawlers, just ghosts. So we start out with 10 ghosts from the very beginning. Then we spawn 20 ghosts at 6 seconds in, and 0.2. That's gonna be a lot. Do it like this for now. All right, let's see. Best of luck on that. What is going on? Who am I? How's the progress? Yeah, let's check on the progress of Crystal Guardians, the developer of the tower defense game that we played. It's been a bit slow, unfortunately. Been working on my thesis a bunch and had to help out my family with a bit these past weeks. Yeah, it's always the family, right? They always stop us from progressing. True. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. They can't die also. No, ghosts can die if you attack them with the right weapon. Right? All right, let's see. Play. We're gonna get to round 14 soon, right? Oh, I see. Right, let's quickly... Should work now, right? How do I lose? Right, we're gonna have to play again, but it's fine, I guess. Yeah, fine. It's okay. They're the ghosts! They're the wrong way, bro! Wait a minute. Oops. What did I do? Wait. Wait a minute. Cakez, they wanna leave? Wait. Draw entity. If we have an enemy. If it's a hero, yes. If it's an enemy, where was it? If it's a hero, then we draw light, else. So that means we have an enemy. Has components. Actually, we just do this. If the entity has the component translucent, if it's translucent, then we want to add to the render options the render option transparent. We are gathering render options here, are we? Yes, we are. And then we use them down here, right? Yes, we do. Cool. So now the enemies, the ghosts, should switch. Ah, look at that. Okay. Maybe. Wait a minute. And now, okay, what do we... They need to be lit and unlit, right? So, guys, take a look at this, what they look like. You can see that they are blue here, right? They are fading into the background brightness because they are affected by lighting. We could also do this. Take a look at this. I can add in a rendering option to make them unlit. That means they are not affected by lighting then. Oh shit. But then they also look like shit. They are on top of the tree. Damn, they took a lot of life, a lot of hits. Crazy. Varying transparency but look nice. Let's see here. Feels like to me they spawn too many. Ah, there we go. There's the first ones. Man, it looks kind of nice, I have to say. Look at this, guys. Yeah. The ghosts are all of us in chat who died of old age waiting for the demo. Okay, bro. Kind of toxic, but I like it. I really like it. That's good. I'm not gonna do unlit. Let's take a look at what this looks like here. Oh wow, there's quite a few. Just noticed. The ghost needs a higher offset. Let's try 12. Does your engine have hot reloading? Nice. Noticed you make changes that don't need to be compiled? Yeah, it does. I need to have that, otherwise... You know what? I want this to be 14. Let's take a look at
Am I so out of
Coladas.
touch?
That looks bad.
No.
Cakez just subscribed. Big tick support for 1
Oh
year.
man! Thank you, Cakez, for subscribing, bro. Thank you so much for the support. Welcome, sir. Oh, not sure I understand the physics behind applying kinetic energy to a ghost. Can't magic touch ghosts? Yes, but you need to detect a ghost first. And you can't detect the ghost if you have not invested into ghost detection. And this is where the ghost detection will come into play, essentially. So first, I think that looks good enough. Let's take a look here first. They are high enough to have a nice little shadow on the bottom. Next is their colliders. They are definitely too wide. Let's try 26 and then 18. Step debugging. So that's also wrong. The offset here needs to be minus 14. Rectangular collider. And then obviously there are radius for the ground collider. Let's test that. That looks much better already. I might move the ghost down. Back to 12. We'll have to see. But apart from that, I think it looks good. And then over here we also have to do minus 12, of course. And then maybe the ground collider radius of 8 instead of 9 is better. Ground collider basically means when is the ghost taking ground damage from ground effects. That might be a bit too small. Let's do 8. Hey Cakez, I remember I used to watch you when you had like 50 to 60 viewers a year ago. Almost doubled that in a year. Hello there, MHO. Well, that's awesome. Welcome back, bro. Hope you had a good time then and hope you have a good time now. Ghosts are not flying. Yes, they are. I mean, they are not animated at all right now, but, oh shit. Fuck. This is what they look like right now. And this is the interesting part that we have to do now is look for enemy to attack. Here's the interesting part. How do I do this? If the enemy has the component, let's target. Component translucent. If it's translucent and we don't have ghost detection. So this is where we have to ask for ghost detection. And I've already added this in the game off stream. This is essentially the item effects. Sometimes in the game with certain items and with certain abilities, I would like to convert damage into one element, all the damage that I have. So for example, the issue that we had with the mage was he started out with 50 fire damage. And then we added in an ability that dealt ice damage and specialized him more towards ice. I want to give that ability, itself the ability, the cold conversion effect, so that every time we attack with the cold ability, we do full ice damage. And these effects, I can put those effects on items. And this is where this cool thing came into my brain. While I was thinking about this, we can effectively have equipment loadouts, which means, let's say we have a mage and we have 3 slots for the tier 1 weapons, but I can find 10 different staffs that are tier 1. 10 different weapons that apply to the mage, that are staves. Now I can choose myself which stuff I'm going to add to the mage to go on a mission with. Like an equipment loadout, essentially. I'm gonna implement that later, but that allows me to have weapons where I create a mage that can only do cold damage. Because I have a staff that gives me cold conversion. And that is always in effect. Now, I just need to figure out a way to accumulate those effects. And I think the easiest way to do this is to have this on like struct entity. To have this on unit. A stack of effects. So just like components. I need something that I'm not using anymore. This one, movement. I use that. Attack time, cast time, animation time, energy drain timer, coin reward, path index. I use all of those. Shit. So if I add another field now, that means I have to replay the game till that point, which is why I'm trying to... I mean, we could just use a float. What do we call this? Oh no, it's not. It's a effect. Item effect flags. Effects. So these are the effects on a unit that I can stack. And so essentially, if the unit dot effects, if I have the effect ghost detection, essentially. If I have that, or if I don't have that, essentially in this case, then obviously I want to skip this. Is in range. We have that, yeah. And this is going to be, has components like that. So basically a translucent enemy and I don't have ghost detection, skip this enemy because I can't target it. Okay. And then how am I going to figure out if the unit has the effects? Well, an update hero. Whenever I apply items over here, every single item has effects. So for example, for the weapons, I get the data for the item and I add that to the stats. I also add to the effects of the hero the effects of the item. And this is also something I did off stream. Items now have a stack of effects. Essentially flags. And so, for example, yeah, I already talked about this, right? The conversion, these are bits. I can add those together in order to add multiple effects to an item or, yeah. And so that's essentially what we're doing here. We add those effects together. And we need to do this for all of the items. So for the armor choices as well. Let me see armor choices. Yeah, for the weapon and armor choices. I don't know why this is called armor choice in X2. There we go. Cool. Now we have a bunch of effects. And as far as I remember, the lantern has the ghost detection effect. Good. How do you handle your UI? I have something that is called immediate mode UI, which you can find here. Is it UI? No. In this tutorial, you can find how I do UI. There's a immediate mode UI tutorial. It's quite short, you can watch it, and that's essentially how I do it. It's called immediate mode UI. If you don't have ghost detection, how would they look like? They look the same. The enemies don't change. My units just don't attack. And so let's give the mage ghost detection on the emerald ring. So dot effects is effect ghost detection. For now. And then just add and remove it to see. I think this is already everything we need to check out whether units... Yeah, so the mage can attack, but this guy can't because he doesn't have the lantern. If I give him the lantern, he can attack. Take a look. Watch this. I place this guy here. I slow down the game. He can attack because the ghosts are invisible to him. Now I'm gonna give him money. That cheats some money. And now he can attack. With the lantern, he can attack the ghosts. See this? That's the idea of ghost detection. So this wave can only be beaten if you have ghost detection. And I need to make the ghost less healthy. Let's give him 300 life. There we go. Does it redraw on each frame? Yeah, it does. Every frame I update the game is when the UI gets redrawn as well. Exactly. Okay, so the enemies just have too much life, it looks like. Yeah. I can't attack the ghosts because I don't have the lantern, and the only one that can is the mage. And yeah, it's too many spawning in this round. Obviously, I need to extend the rounds a bit. Put in filler rounds so that this doesn't happen, right? Lantern should be an AoE area. That would be a really cool idea, yeah. It would actually be really cool if it's AoE. And so every unit in the area gets ghost detection, right? Yeah, AoE for sure. Guys, what if this unit, the goggles, give it ghost detection? These goggles right here, these bad boys. He gets ghost detection using these goggles. Or a lantern tower like a water tower. Yeah. So the water tower could transform into a lantern tower. Cakez, how long did you practice to become the best programmer? Okay, right. What is wrong with this guy? I just don't understand it. Okay, we can't beat this round. I'm gonna nerf it a little bit. But this is going to be the ghost round. Which means... Yeah, I mean the ghosts are too strong. Let's take a look at the balance sheet really quickly. $300 HP on 80 damage is too many hits. So we have 80 physical damage here, and then who has 300 HP? Nothing, actually. Okay, well, let's see here. The armored skeleton. Increase physical armor penetration 100. Armor 65. 80 damage. Wait, I have 100 armor penetration. Armor flat. Okay, so 80, that's 12 hits on, let's see here, 300. So I need 4 hits to kill a ghost with 80 damage. Let's see here. So this guy should be... Let's see. Is it correct? I feel like I need more hits. That's odd. This mage should 3-shot the enemies. I give them 300 HP. And they only have armor. That's odd. That's not 3 hits. 2, 3. They need 4 hits. Huh? Wait, that's not 3 hits though. That's 4 hits. Because it's 3.7. Yeah, okay. So what about 260? Wait a minute. 240. 240 life gives me 3 hits. On 80 damage. Okay, so now we have our ghost wave done. Let's test this again. That's 3 hits, right? Okay. Damn, the ice wave is crazy. Okay, but I'm still losing. Because I only have 1 mage that can detect enemies. So obviously this round is too crazy, right? 20 ghosts here is too much. How about we spawn 5 fast and then 5 slowly? Like this. And time starts 6. That's supposed to be like... 18. 18 is too much, 12. Okay, that looks good. And then on 12 we should have more spawning. Cool. Okay, so the mage can beat them. If we have 1 with detection, that's fine. And then we are on round 50. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, now we have ghosts in the game. We can start mixing them in. And also, yeah, ghost detection, right? What should the next round be? I have an idea for next round, guys. I have a cool idea. Round 15 is going to be a bunch of knights. Skeleton knights. Like 10 of them. And they spawn 5 seconds apart. Bunch of knights. Cakez live, baby, let's go. Hey, Zara, thank you so much. Good morning, welcome. All right, let's see. We're gonna win this. And now we spawn 10 of these. 10 enemies. Oh, wow. It might be too many. The spawn rate might be too much. Yeah, so definitely too much. Let's spawn them 15 apart. Do you have a list of enemies for the next wave in the game? Yeah, it's here. And I can take a look at that too. Cool. Alright, let's see here. Does it get out of hand too fast? I can't spawn a healer and heal more. Which I probably need to. Alright, so we need a healer. Which should be hopefully disconnected from the other ones. Maybe I can even... I don't have range increases on the healer, which is an issue. Let's test it like this in this position. Oh, she gets attacked every time. Oh, this position is bad. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it does work. We're winning. Okay, we just managed to beat this round. Okay, next round. Round 16. I want to get to the golem today and then just give him a lot of HP. So what would round 16 be? I can start adding in some ghosts as well. Like maybe 10 ghosts. But do we have enough money by this round for 16? We did beat a bunch of oh, we don't have that much money. They don't give us much. I definitely don't want to spawn knights in this round. So maybe some bonus. But spaced apart a lot. So that we can deal with them. And then some ghosts mixed in between. Let's test. How does this feel? Okay. He tried to attack her, but he missed. Okay, I need to fix that. So the bone toss needs 240 speed. Okay, that shouldn't happen. But okay. That was the first one. He's still... No, this time he hit. Good. I think that was a bit too easy. To be honest. What else would we do here? We do have quite a few enemies. Let's give it some normal skeletons. Quite a few. And they start at 10. So we extend the rounds to about 40 seconds. Alright, so that looks a little bit better. Now there's a bit more enemies coming. We might have to... Uh-oh. Please. Please. Ooh, projectiles should not be able to hit translucent enemies if the projectiles can't hit them, actually. So I can fire a projectile from a unit. Huh, that's interesting. I can fire a projectile from a unit towards another unit. And the ghost could be in my way, and then the projectile will hit the ghost. Did you ban everyone in the chat, Mr. Cakez? Yeah, I did. They all pissed me off. Do you do unit tests for games like this? Or is it all manual testing by playing the game? I currently don't unit test in my game because I don't have the systems set in stone yet. And so me changing a system would mean I would also have to change the test of the system. And to not have twice as much work as I did before, without testing essentially, I just don't test at the moment. And the testing that you see right here is more gameplay testing and balance testing rather than, and also kind of system testing, but it's more just getting a feel for the game. Yeah, you can't really unit test gameplay. Gameplay is something that, yeah, it just happens. It's fun. You can't unit test that. And so when I have my systems in place and I feel comfortable about them, then this is when I will unit test. Because I know that the system, that's how it should work. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The ghost's leaking. I have one problem though, guys. I have visual clarity issues. You can't really tell what's going on. Oh god, I'm losing. Oh god. This is it. She's dead too. I lost another healer. Yikes. Ooh. And I lost another one. Shit. Maybe I'm just gonna add another mage. Oh my god, I'm losing to those boners. Fuck. What should I do? Wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna make this guy soak all the damage. Heal him, come on. Bruh. Shit, she's dead. Fuck, man. But maybe I'm winning? Tough round, you also have IQ issues. Okay, bro. I don't even have enough money for healer. That's some bullshit here. Bro. I can't even spawn a healer because I don't have enough money. I need to get more money on this round, actually. Like, yeah, 100%. So, seeds, how much do we get? 250. 260. 60. There we go. Alright, so we got a lot more now. I'm basically just spamming healers. Which is not the right thing to do. But I mean, I guess it works, huh? Yeah, I mean, it does work. I will be able to spend more skill points on the healer soon though, so... Alright, okay, so it does work. Fine. Let's do round 17. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna add the boss in now. I wanna add the boss, the big guy. Okay, so round 17 will be the boss and then we'll just extend that. That's the boss round, essentially. Okay, so... this will be the last one. And of course, the first one is going to be enemy Rookie or something? Rocky? Boss Rocky, yeah. Let's spawn one boss. 1, not 10. Let's see what that looks like. We're going to have to playtest that for a long time. There's 2 more. It's the last one. Okay, so number 1 that I can already tell. The collider for the unit is completely off. Let's see here. Game.assets. Let's see. Rocky. Rocky does not have a pivot offset. So we need to add that in. There we go. What would that be? 0 and then minus 32 at minimum. Let's test that. Okay, so 32 is definitely too much. Let's see, minus 32. 24, maybe? Nah, 22. Nah, I think it's gonna be like 20, right? Yeah. Or maybe even 80. 18. Oops. I feel like it's 18. What is this? Okay, so now that we have this unit in the correct spot, we need to add other things like... Mark this here and then go to dog. Get the colliders here. No, wait. Yoink. Okay, so what do we do here? Minus... Wait, don't we have an entity.center offset? Yeah, we have that too. Okay. Let's see, center offset. Minus 20, let's test that. Ground collider radius is definitely bigger. Let's try 12. Then the rectangular collider. 36, 20. How is that? No, that doesn't work. 40 is good. Probably needs to be more, like 48 or something. And then obviously this needs to be higher. Try 18 too. And 36 looks good as well. Let's test that. Okay, that looks much better already. Maybe not as wide. So 36 is maybe a bit too much. Let's try 30. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, that looks nice. Maybe 50? So minus 20 and then 50. What about that? Yeah. So that's essentially the collider for this guy. And now we need to work on his HP. I currently set it to 20,000, which I think is too easy. And then his physical damage of 300 is way too much. And I currently also don't have... Make it 10 million. Let's test this. So he's getting Meteor and Ground Slam. Ground Slam doesn't work, so we can't really do this. I need to fix that ability first. But Meteor does. I fixed Meteor, so let's test that. Giving him Meteor gives him fire damage. Alright, so what does he have? He has a lot of armor and also resistances. Let's mark this as A and then go over here. There we go, that's what I wanted. So we already have armor. In this case, we don't have growth. He has literally just 2,000 armor or something. We can't really hurt him with armor piercing and stuff like that. Give him 2,000, then maybe 40% resistances to all the elements. It seems you stole my idea with Tangies. Alright, let's see. So, this is going to be the boss. Let's see what he does. He's not using Meteor. Oh, I see. So he can't really be knocked back. Yeah, let's give him friction. Knockback resist of 95%. And then friction is gonna be very high. So, let's see here. Okay, so he doesn't take any damage, guys. Oh, he does. Hey, why does he have... His friction should be like... 500 or something. He should be doing... Should be nothing. How is he getting knocked back like that? It shouldn't happen. Okay, I need to fix that. But this is essentially the boss. It looks like he's not using his abilities. Yeah. He's not using the abilities, which kind of sucks. Why not? There must be a reason for that. Maybe because he doesn't have range. Let's see. Huh, it doesn't go over the abilities. It doesn't have abilities. Okay, so the unit doesn't have abilities? That's a bit odd. Not sure why. But essentially we can't beat him because he has too much life. And then we lose. Let me restart. Let's add Rocky here. Wonder why. Let's see. Okay, so now the boss should spawn and he should use Meteor on me. But he's not. He doesn't have Meteor. Cast delay, cast time, abilities, time passed. Let's see. So he does have abilities now. Okay, ability cooldown. What is that? Okay. Can the ability be activated? No, it can't. Why not? Let's figure this out the next time. Aha, energy? Okay. Ability cooldown, yeah. Ability cost? 50. Aha, meteor costs energy. I see. All right. Let's just give it no cost. Problem solved. Give it 5 billion energy. Problem solved. Actually, I will still think about the energy, but I can give the Rocky a stat where he has energy regeneration. Good morning. Hey, Demon. Good morning. Stats, energy regeneration, base value of, let's say, 5 energy per second would make it so every 10 seconds. Let's give it 2.5 energy per second. So every 20 seconds he can use the meteor. So now he should regenerate energy and at some point use the meteor, which he doesn't have attack frames on it, of course. And which one would that be? I think it's this, which is 0, 1, 2, like 2 or 3. Let's see, attack, ground slam. Let's do attack. Dot animation frames. What is it called again? Attack frames, yeah. is count. So one attack frame count, and that would be on 3. Is that correct? Is that how it works? Attack frames. Yeah, it does. Okay, now we should have that. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it again. Hope you're doing good, Demon. Welcome back, bro. Hello there, sir. Eh? I feel like display 1 is wrong. Okay. Alright, let's see. Come on. Oh, he doesn't have enough energy, does he? Fuck, man! Which animation are we talking about? Animation state use skill. Which is 4. Ah, I knew this was gonna happen. Okay, wait. Fuck. I used the wrong one. Dot attack frames equals dot count is 1 and then 3. There we go. I spent the full weekend, but finally got a full Vulcan working in Zig. In Zig? Damn. You like Zig a lot, yeah? Pepe loves spaghetti code. It has nothing to do with spaghetti code, bro. This is essentially what I need. Okay, bro? It is just a feature I added in later, after I had it working in a different way. I do love Zig. The compile time lets me do some really cool stuff. Feature. Okay, guys, it's really pissing me off that this thing always starts on the wrong screen. So can you please just use display 2? Thank you. And then close. And then open this. And please open on display 2. It's actually opening on the other screen. Can you please open here? And go full screen. Borderless. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Let's go. Let's see. Please. Use this thing. There we go. Okay, let's see. That was a bit too fast, of course. It works, guys. He's now using an ability. Every 20 seconds. Entire rate wipe, yeah. So we can test this, right? How many? Oh my god. Fuck. Let's place a couple units, okay? Damn. Give some mage. I'll place some of these bad boys right here. Now, obviously, we need to nerf this and balance this. Essentially, what I want to do tomorrow with this guy is make it so that his ability functions the same way Meteor does, but it does less damage the more units it hits. So if it hits 10 units, it does the original damage divided by 10. If it hits 5 units, it divides it by 5. So like a stacking mechanic and a little animation for the boss to spawn this meteor. That's what I want to do. So essentially I want to create my first boss fight, real boss fight, where you have to make sure that on almost all times you have batches of, let's say, 5 to 6 units together clumped to be able to soak the meteor damage. You know, maybe like this. And then they don't die. If someone is alone, they die. That's the idea. Okay, my brothers. I'm exhausted. I have a ginormous headache. I've been actually sick the entire week last week. And so I'm gonna send you over to Mr. Lava. And I wanna say zum Schluss in English that I'm surprised at the positive comments and the positive messages. Those of you who wrote me in Discord, like personally wrote me in Discord too, I want to shout out and tell you guys that I really appreciate that. I wasn't expecting this at all. And I hope that I can stay more consistent now, you know, after this week. But also that Zoe stays healthy and doesn't get into the situation again, like get sick again. And yeah, I was very surprised, and I want to thank you guys for the positive feedback from you. And hello there, Opka. Good morning. I've been busy lately, but here's your quick Among Us proposal. Add Among Us to your game equals big bucks. Add some extra equals even more. Add Soma even more, yeah. And hello, Mishtax. Good morning, bro. Sweet, tasty, Schwarzwälder Kirsche. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Wish her the best. Yeah, thank you, guys. I really mean it. It means a lot to me. And I hope to do good content in the next couple of weeks, you know. Do more interesting stuff. And hopefully get the demo version out, right? I think we made some good stuff today with the ghosts and more rounds. And ultimately, it's just going to be more content and just more stuff. Designing the game. Demo soon, yes. Gonna send you over to Coffee Lava. And see you next time, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace. Bye-bye.